Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to save all open tabs and reopen them all at once in Chrome web browser for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Chrome web browser and say I have opened 3 different tabs as you can see right now. So in order to save all these open tabs all at once, what you need to do is just click on these 3 dot icons and now just select this bookmarks and list, and now you will see here bookmark all tabs, so just click on it. Now you can select the folder location, so I'm gonna select the other bookmarks, and now you can give a folder name and just click on the save. Now all these open tabs will be saved all at once. Now in order to reopen them all at once, what you need to do is just click on these 3 dot icons again and click on this bookmarks and list again, and now just click on this bookmark manager. And now just select the folder where you have saved. So in my case, it's in the other bookmarks. Now you can see a folder. So now just right mouse click on it. Now you can see here open all in incognito window, open all in new tab group, open all, and open all in new window. So I'm gonna select this open all. So now you can see all the 3 different tabs which I have saved earlier will get open all at once. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily save all open tabs and reopen them all at once in Chrome web browser for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.